How to add and remove tags in bulk for Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. So as you may know already, if you just go to products and select any product here, you're going to be able to individually set or remove tags for this specific product from here. So you can just go ahead and go to this one, specifically golden bracelet, and just add or remove tags from this page. But if you want to do it in bulk, if you have a lot of different products, all you need to do is just go back to the products page, the main one, and you simply just want to select the different products that you want to adjust the tags for. So in my case, I'm just going to use these four. Next up, you simply just want to click on bulk edit. So from this page, you're going to be able to adjust a lot of different things about the products that you have selected, and you may not find tags right away. But if you want to see tags, you simply just want to click on the columns tab on the top right corner, and you're just going to be able to find the tags option. Make sure you tag this or toggle it on, and you're going to be able to see all the different tags for your basically products here. So you're going to have these two do actually have tags, these two don't. So you can just feel free to adjust everything from here. You're going to be able to remove them like so if you want to remove them. And you can just feel free to add any by just double clicking on any of them and start adding tags as you like. You can just go ahead and add gold, hit enter, and you can just go ahead and add more to it. And for example, let's say you have a lot of tags which are, just basically in common with every other product in this category, or whichever products we have selected. You can just go in and type it on the first one, and you can just drag this below like so, and it's just going to basically copy it for the rest of them. And then obviously for any different ones, you can just feel free to remove that and add its own specific one like so, and you're pretty much good to go. You can just feel free to click on save from the top right corner, and that's pretty much all you need to do. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.